Hi, everybody. Welcome to Into the Heart. You've heard it said, maybe it's most often said to parents. Parents, when there's a problem, your child's having a problem, you don't have to have a solution. You are the solution. This is classic Gordon Neufeld. You are the solution. But this is also for spouses, partners. Sometimes when your loved one is upset, you don't want to go in because you're nervous. Like, I don't want to make it worse, or they've closed the door. They don't want me in there. They may even say, don't come in. But you know what? The door is closed because something about the world and life has become unmanageable. They're scared of facing it or whatever. And yet, I will say that you are the solution. No one person, even in a marital conflict, no one person is the problem, but each of you personally is the solution. Why? Because the relationship you have is the ground you stand on in order to solve whatever problem there may be. When you are alone with a problem, it can feel very alone. But as soon as you walk in, if your loved one's the one that's upset, and you go in and you understand them, you validate their experience, how it makes sense that they feel such and such because of X, Y, and Z. They feel understood and seen and cared for by you. All of a sudden, they don't feel alone. All of a sudden, everything feels more manageable. You are the solution. You don't have to have a solution. In fact, I would recommend, especially if you're nervous, don't go in expecting to fix anything. Don't have a solution in your pocket. Don't offer solutions. Just go in and know that you are the solution. Your presence, your understanding, your care. And you might be surprised because if you offer that, you could tag on at the end, is there anything I can do? But once they feel understood by you, they might actually be receptive to that. But you don't have to know how to fix it. You just have to be with them. And things open up from there. Have a great day.